Hello guys, welcome to W3 Academy. In this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you that how can you create an Android application for your website or for your YouTube channel in just 2 minutes and without having a knowledge of any programming language and for free. So let's go to the trick and I will show you that how can you create your Android application for free. So go to this link. I will drop this link in a description box. I have a website web2apk.com. This website will allow you to create your Android application for free in just 2 minutes. So here is simple interface of this website. Create an Android app for your website uh, in one single step. So link here create.asp. This is the link of this website. I'll drop this link in a description box so you can see that. Here is simple interface. I have to put my URL of my website or my YouTube channel here, and application title, what I wanna choose the title and icon of my application. So first I will drop my link from here. This is the link of my YouTube channel, and I have to put this here in place of URL. Okay, after that I will choose my application title W3 Academy, and after that I have to choose icon from here, or I will choose this picture. Okay, and here I have two options: create my app or show advanced settings. So I will click on advanced settings and I can choose screen orientation from here. I can give welcome screen message from here. Okay, welcome to W3 Academy, and after that I can give a screen error screen message if network is not available or no internet access. Then I can give my own network access error message, and after that I can give application exit alert or prompt from here. And after that I will click on create my app. So you can see that this is creating an application from here. Okay, and it will take some time to create an application from here. Okay, creating a working folder, creating source code, adding your custom settings, editing Java code, and after all this done, download your application package from this link. Okay, this link is the your download link. You can click on this link to download your application in your Android phone, or you can give this link to your friends, or you can give this links to your fans of your YouTube channel, or your visitor or visitors of your website, so they can visit you from their mobile phone directly from your application. Okay, after clicking this you can see that w3academy.apk, this is downloading this application or to my mobile, and it will download this application to my mobile. And after that I can browse my YouTube channel from this application. So this is the great trick of W3 Academy. You can make your application Android application in just 2 minutes. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now. I will be uploading more videos very soon, and thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.